English language learning, relative clauses, subject pronouns. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will be exploring the topic of relative clauses, specifically focusing on subject pronouns. Relative clauses can be a bit challenging, but don't worry, we'll break it down and make it easier for you to understand. So let's get started. Before we dive into subject pronouns, let's quickly review what relative clauses are. Relative clauses are used to provide additional information about a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. They help us to add more detail and context to our sentences. For example, the book that I am reading is very interesting. The woman who lives next door is a doctor. In these examples, the words that and who are relative pronouns that introduce the relative clauses. Now, let's focus on subject pronouns in relative clauses. Subject pronouns are used to replace the subject of a sentence. They allow us to avoid repetition and make our sentences more concise. Here are the subject pronouns in English. I am studying English. You should practice every day. He is a talented musician. She loves to read books. It is raining outside. We enjoy learning new things. They are my classmates. In relative clauses, subject pronouns are used to refer to the subject of the main clause. For example, the man who is standing over there is my father. Instead of, the man is standing over there, the man is my father. Let's look at some more examples to understand how subject pronouns work in relative clauses. 1. The dog that barks loudly belongs to my neighbor. 2. In this sentence, that is a subject pronoun referring to the dog. 3. The students who are studying abroad have gained valuable experiences. 4. Here, who is a subject pronoun referring to the students. 5. The movie that won the award is worth watching. 6. In this example, that is a subject pronoun referring to the movie. Remember, subject pronouns in relative clauses should agree with the subject of the main clause. To summarize, subject pronouns are used in relative clauses to replace the subject of a sentence and make it more concise. They help us avoid repetition and add clarity to our sentences. Now, let's practice. Complete the following sentences by filling in the appropriate subject pronoun. 1. The boy who is playing the guitar is my brother. 2. The students that are participating in the competition are from different schools. 3. The book that was recommended to me is a bestseller. Great job! With practice, you'll become more comfortable using subject pronouns in relative clauses. Congratulations on completing this English language learning video on subject pronouns in relative clauses. We hope this video has provided you with a solid understanding of how to use subject pronouns to enhance your English sentences. Remember to keep practicing and incorporating these concepts into your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.